What's up YouTube, Mudcat here. Today we're going to be changing a buckle on my backcountry 35s. If you have any kind of luggage, these plastic buckles, they break. If you go down and crash or whatever, snag them on a tree, the buckles will probably break. It's not a big deal. It saves from tearing the mounting points loose from the actual bag. So buckles are cheap. I bought 7 of these from Condor. We'll have the package. 7 of these from Condor off of Amazon for less than 10 bucks. So this is an 1.5 inch buckle. The one you want to get is one that has a slit in it where the webbing passes over. It don't take any time at all to change. I'll go ahead and move you in here a little closer. All right, so this one I've replaced, but I had a green one. Green doesn't, I don't know. I just ordered a black one to replace it, so it doesn't really matter. But the only thing you're going to need is just a screwdriver. I use a Phillips head. You can use whatever you want. And this top piece, you'll just take it just like that. Real easy. The bottom one, take and move it over. Then I take and push this down through there like that. And just give it a pull. It comes right out. Put your other one on, your female part of the buckle, where it has one pass through, will be on the stationary side, just a loop. And your double portion down here will be on your adjustable part. So what you do is I just make a loop, pass it up over the split piece in there, take my screwdriver and stick underneath it, give it a pull, and that's it. And the top one, same way. Usually don't have to use a screwdriver for that one. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. I appreciate your time and watching. Appreciate your comments. Thank you all for being here today. Go out there, ride safe. Have a blessed day. Mudcat is out.